Hello everybody, I am Dipayan Mondal and I am currently a first year undergraduate student of Mechanical Engineering at Jadavpur University. This video is for the 2024 WBJEE appearing students. In this video, I shall be showing you the chapter-wise weightage for WBJEE Mathematics, and the reference that I have taken for understanding the chapter-wise weightage myself is the WBJEE 2022 question paper. In some other video, I shall also give you the chapter-wise weightage as per the 2023 question paper. But for this video, let us stick to the 2022 question paper. So let's move on. As you can see, from matrices and determinants, a chapter of algebra which is taught in class 12, 7 questions had come in one single paper. From sets, relations and functions, 6 questions had come. From probability, 2 questions had come. From straight lines, 7 questions had come. From circles, 3 questions had come. From parabola, 3 questions had come. From ellipse and hyperbola, 4 questions had come. From 3D geometry, 4 questions had come. From limits, continuity and differentiability, 5 questions had come. From methods of differentiation, 2 questions had come. From integration, 5 questions had come. From application of derivatives, 13 questions had come. From differential equations, 3 questions had come. From area under the curve, 1 question had come. From sequence and series, 2 questions had come. From complex numbers, 3 questions had come. From quadratic equations, 1 question had come. From permutations and combinations, 2 questions had come. From heights and distances, 1 question had come. So from this list only you can understand that the chapter to focus on most is application of derivatives, because this single chapter has got a potential of giving you 13 questions in one single paper, and 13 questions in a WBJEE Mathematics paper can give you roughly 20 marks. Now, you perhaps do not know the importance of 20 marks in WBJEE paper. Maybe in some other video I shall give you an idea of this as well. 20 marks in WBJEE paper is huge, and one single paper is giving you that. One single chapter is giving you that. Just imagine. So please focus on this chapter more and more. Next, matrices and determinants. This is not even a very tough chapter conceptually, intellectually. Yet it has got the potential of giving you these many number of questions in a single paper. And 7 questions can roughly contribute to 15 marks. 12 to 15 marks. So can you imagine? Just do 2 chapters and you have got the potential of scoring around 32 marks from just 2 chapters. Add to that sets, relations and functions, which is again a easy chapter. It is again a very easy chapter. 6 questions. So roughly 10 marks. So altogether from 3 chapters alone you can score 42 marks. Can you imagine? 42 marks. It is not a joke. Then do the other chapters as well. Do not leave any chapters, because in WBJEE most of the questions are of 1 mark, and the maximum marks that you can get for some questions are 2. There are only 2 types of questions, 1 mark questions and 2 marks questions, and just because they are 1 mark questions you might be thinking that they must be easy questions. You are absolutely wrong. They are not easy questions at all. They are easy to moderate questions, and some questions are really moderate to difficult. Yet the marks assigned are very less. So you will have to cover almost the entire syllabus, then only you will be able to score good marks. Another thing, what is a good score in WBJEE Mathematics paper? Well, in the recent times, be it in 2022 or 2023, the WBJEE Mathematics paper has been quite tough. Alright, earlier it used to be easier, now it is coming tough. So the average score has also gone low. You can say that 40 in this paper is a really good score. Even the top rankers, they score 40. Very few people score above 40. If you are scoring above 40 in a tough WBJEE Mathematics paper, then it is considered God level. And a good score is any score around 35. That is a good score. But to score even that, you will have to work hard. Here you will not have 4 marks questions. And 2 marks questions are very tough. Most of your hope lies in the 1 mark question. So you will have to solve many 1 mark questions. And if you want to solve these many 1 mark questions, means you will have to have a good idea of almost the entire syllabus. And why are you going to set your target low? Why will you say that, okay, I am going to score 40 and I will be happy? Target 50, target 60. The more you can score in a single paper, the better for you. So that was it. This is the weightage, and in some other video I shall also show you the chapter wise weightage for 2023. I mean for mathematics as per the 2023 paper. Thank you very much. Keep studying. Do maintain a balance in life. Do not take too much of stress, but do study regularly. Do not neglect your studies.